What is technical analysis? Technical analysis is a methodology for determining future price movements of assets such as stocks, cryptocurrencies, or forex pairs. It's a discipline that involves analyzing statistical trends gathered from price movements and trading volume. The fundamental belief of technical analysts is that the current asset market price always reflects fundamental or sentiment data that is freely available in the market. Past trading activity can thus be a valuable indicator to determine the future price of any asset. Technical analysis is often thought of as more of an art than science, as there are countless ways to interpret the data from charts or indicators. Many tools are available to determine whether an asset should be bought or sold. This includes using trend lines, highlighting support and resistance zones, indicators, Fibonacci retracements, and complex techniques such as Elliott wave theory. The sheer quantity of charts, methods, and indicators can be overwhelming for new traders. If you wish to develop technical analysis skills, start with simple charting by using lines to identify current market trends. Combine this with straightforward indicators, including Bollinger Bands and RSI, to determine the stage of a trend your traded asset is in. Once mastered, build on this understanding to develop more sophisticated trading strategies.